Hi, this is John with WTI. And as I have a pet, my little dog Noah, he's always dropping a lot of hair. And for me, it's a little bit of a complication because I can see that every time I pass his hand around, he's always dropping a lot of hair. And this is where this brush, hair brush for pets comes into place. And I'm gonna tell you what I like about this. First of all, it's really ergonomic. It has a great grip that you can actually hold it perfectly into your hand, and your dog actually enjoys it a lot. Like the last time that I used this with Noah, when I started brushing him and he felt like it was in a spa and he was feeling really good about it. This just like takes the whole size of the brush. It's made like a soft metal, but with some silicone tips that is not gonna hurt your pet. And the main feature, or one of the features that I like the most about this, is that every time that I just want to take out the hair, I just push this button, and the hair is just gonna go out, and it's easy just to put it in the bag and throw it away. So if you want to keep your pet brushing it and well, nice and clean, this is a great tool for it. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.